Today, we're going to show you how to make elephant toothpaste. This project needs adult for help. We need safety glasses and gloves. We need water bottles. We need dish soap. Food coloring. We need dry yeast. Small cups. Funnel. Warm water.
And hydrogen peroxide. Half a cup of hydrogen peroxide.
Add food coloring for colors. Shake, shake, shake.
Add a little soap. Add yeast to warm water and stir for 30 seconds.
Pour the yeast into the water. Oh no! Ah! Why is it gonna explode? Oh my god! No! Oh my god! We can touch it. Whoa! You can touch it, Mason. You can touch it. You can touch it if you want to touch it. Whoa! No! It's gonna go everywhere. Whoa! It's connecting together. I'm just yours. Hey! Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!